there are two types of YouTube channels. The first one is what the majority of us think about when we think of creating YouTube videos, and that's actually putting our face on camera. When we think of the quintessential YouTuber or creator, we think about somebody sitting down at a desk or possibly vlogging and showing their face to the world, for better or for worse. Now, the second type of channel is called a faceless YouTube channel. Now, these channels don't require you to put your face on any sort of video. They utilize B-roll, stock footage, and possibly different types of videos throughout the internet, from YouTube, from Facebook, from Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, from wherever you want, so long as they follow the Fair Use Act. Now, we will cover the Fair Use Act later in the course, so let's not worry about that for now. But the two types of channels are the traditional ones, showing your face, and the non-traditional ones, which are faceless. Now, each one has the ability to earn you a substantial amount of money per month and per year through multiple sources of revenue, different types of monetization methods, and those methods will be covered later in the course.